Hey guys, it's Melissa here, and today I have an unboxing. This is a flat iron I saw on Instagram. It's supposed to be one of the best flat irons on Instagram. I don't know, the results I saw were bomb, so I had to purchase it. And right now you can get it 40% off with 40 off as the coupon code, and I will have it linked in the description box. But if you want to see this unboxing, please stay. Okay, and to get this video started, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I like to review everything. If you guys want me to review something, let me know. I will have all the links in the description box, and I will have stuff posted everywhere on the screen to show you how this flat iron works. So let's get started. I just got this flat iron. It came with all this stuff in the box, all this pretty stuff. A thank you note that I just dropped on the floor. Okay, so a little thank you note. So yeah, this is the gold standard T.T.O sheer flat iron. I saw it on Instagram, so I wanted to purchase it. So this flat iron, I want to tell you guys about it. It's a 1-inch flat iron. Let's see. This is how it's opened. This is what it looks like. Okay, I believe it goes up to 450 degrees. I get it all out. It's really pretty. It's blue, and it's got a digital screen. It's a mineral infused flat iron. See, swivel cord extension. Let me tell you the rest. Oh, they even have a warranty. So let me put all this stuff. It's a mess. So messy. Yeah, it has a 1-year warranty. Yeah, so it has a 1-year warranty, guys. So I'll hold that up so you guys can see. And I want to tell you the specs on it. And this is for all hair types, okay, guys? Okay, so it's a ceramic flat iron, digital display, power is 40 watts, temperature goes up to 430, it heats up in 60 seconds, automatic shut off, I guess at 60 minutes, lightweight, 1-inch plates, tight grip, no hot spots, even heat distribution, does not snag your hair, smooth passing, smooths the hair shaft down instead of smashing it, because you know some flat irons just, it looks a mess when you flat iron. It like smashes it instead of just glides, you know, gliding it down in even strands. So the plates are I guess have an oil which gives it a feel of silk, so it's really pretty, and I'm going to demonstrate as well in this video to show you guys how it works on your hair. Again, I will have all the links in the description box as well as the Instagram that I've seen it on. And yeah, guys, let's get started. Let me show you how it works. Okay, guys, and I just want to show you guys how I set it up, how it turns on, how quickly it gets to the temperature, and it goes up to 430. I think I have stated 450, but it's 430, guys. So I'm just turning it up all the way to 430, and I want to show you guys how fast it heats up. Okay, guys, and as you can see, my hair is pretty kinky. I usually have this hair hidden because I put on my wigs and it's usually braided or twisted up. So yeah, and in the front is my leave out. So that's why it's already straightened. It wasn't straightened with this flat iron, but it will be following this. But yeah, I just want to show you guys how it straightens my hair from being kinky to straight. Okay guys, so as you can see, I do have some oils in my hair. I usually don't straighten my hair with oils, but that was my protective area where it's always covered, and it was already oiled. I usually oil it when I twist it up. So I will show a video with me straightening my whole head, how I usually do it without all that oil in it. Because the flat iron is already mineral infused, so you don't need to really apply oils to your hair or anything to straighten it. Okay guys, as you can see, I missed a freaking piece of my hair. So I had to go over it again. But this flat iron is just a one pass flat iron. So yeah, it's just, you know. And as you can see, it got it really straight, even my kitchen area. So guys, go pick this up. Hey guys, so I just wanted to show you guys a demonstration. As you can see, my hair is pretty kinky up here. Not my leave out, this is my leave out. But up here it's pretty kinky, and it got it pretty straight. So I really like this flat iron so far. I'm probably gonna do a video doing my whole head, and probably show an update of my hair and if it has grown or not, because you know my hair was falling out. So guys, excuse me, I will have a link in the description box if you guys want to check it out, and I will have the Instagram so you guys can see the results I was looking at when I was looking at the flat iron. But it is well made, it's really nice, it gets hot so fast, and it's like super hot right now. I need to turn it off. But I absolutely love this flat iron so far. So guys, go purchase it, link in the description box. Please comment, like, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys. Oh my god, it's so smoky. I will see you guys later. All right, bye. Okay guys, and I'm sorry, I was trying to end the video, but I forgot to show you guys how this flat iron curls, so I wanted to show you a clip of that. Again, this is my natural hair, and as you can see, yeah, they are popping. Made a nice little Shirley Temple curl, and it straightens, curls, it does everything. I mean, it's a flat iron, so you guys know that it's gonna curl your hair. But I just want to show you, you know, how it curled mine. So guys, thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye. Hey guys, it's Melissa again, and today I'm coming to you with a Love Me hair wig.